Hello, I'm Jack here with Team 4391, the BraveBots, here at the Escanaba District event, here to show off their robot. They're the winners of the Belleville event, and they're trying to make it happen once again. We're going to take a look at their robot here on Behind the Bumpers.
Hi, my name is Eli. We're going to be showing you the intake of our robot, and when it comes out, like that, and then we have agitate, which, like he's showing, it moves up and down to bring the balls in and to get rid of jams in the indexer area.
My name's Colin. I'm going to be explaining our indexer. It looks like little hot dog rollers. What it does is we noticed while we were practicing that we were having a lot of issues with balls getting stuck. So we added these. What it does is it spins when it shoots to help clear up jams. I'll demonstrate that right now. It is it's connected over here via a Neo motor right there, and it activates when we shoot. So what you just saw right there was intentional. There are two sensors that we have connected to detect if there are balls in the shooter, and if it detects that it's jammed, it'll automatically reverse itself for a second just to clear that jam, and then it'll go back to normal.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first.
Hi, my name is Brant, and I'll be talking about some of our shooter. So we got two big wheels here. We have a kicker and a hood. I don't know if you can bring it up or not, but this hood goes up so we can adjust how far we shoot. So it's really great for passing and shooting on the move, which has been really big for us this year. So not only do we have turret swerve, but we can shoot on the move as well using recursive LUT translation. So that's been super helpful for us. Also, we have a lot of flywheels on our shooter. We have one built in right here next to the wheels. And if you look closely, this flywheel right here is actually full of nickels. So, little customization there. That's been really awesome for us. And then this year we have 2 limelights, which has been awesome. Our pose estimation has been a huge part of our programming this year. Where we monitor trust based on how far we are. We use Megatag 1 and Megatag 2. It's been super valuable, especially for auto, having that back camera. So that's been great. So full court shots was something that we predicted that we should be able to do right off the get-go. So when we're inactive, we realize that there's probably going to be a lot more balls on the other side than in the middle of the field right away. So we decided that having full court shooting was really helpful. We also use shoot on the move for that as well. So we're trying to hit the same spot on our side every time. So we also have these LEDs that are programmed to do certain things. So like when we shoot, they'll turn green. Go for it. And then when we intake, they'll turn blinking orange. So that's also been super valuable for us.
Another feature that we added this year that's been very monumental for repairs and just accessing electronics is this car hood that we have going on here. So it's just these 2 bolts down here, and then 2 bolts on the top that he just took out and one on the other side. And then this whole thing comes out. Just like this. Then we can access the battery, all the wiring, the PDP, the Rio over in this corner, which is also just attached with Velcro, so we can get under it to the Ethernet switch. This is very monumental for our robot since it literally gives us access to everything in the subframe. Our electronics is very good, especially the wiring, since all these are labeled. I don't think we've done this previous years, but we do like to give us as much access as possible. And with the nature of how the shooter worked, this kind of just worked together pretty well.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first.